Afternoon guys, you can see there from the logo we're in a SsangYong today. This is a SsangYong Rodius Turismo and it's a 2016. We fitted a DAB radio, so you can see if I just put that on the windscreen you can actually see the DAB aerial on the screen, just because we didn't want to put a roof aerial on this car. So if I just turn the stereo on, you can see there, lovely looking KENWOOD stereo. This is the DMX7520DABS. Also removed a faulty SsangYong radio. So it powers up, got a lovely SsangYong logo, looks nice and factory integrated. So this radio will give you Apple CarPlay, will give you Android Auto, looks fantastic in there in the same coloured fascia. And so we've got Apple CarPlay connected at the moment. So you can see from there you've got all your music stuff, your phone, you make phone calls. You can then see Apple Music and all your contact, all the artists and albums and genres that you've got in your music. You've got Apple Maps along then with the Google Maps and Waze. So just go on there, so easy to operate, works quite well. You've got a little back button, so if you want to make a phone call, go into there, and then you can use Siri as well. It's on the contacts list. We can let you use Siri.
Who would you like to call?
Nobody, because I've got no friends.
Okay, I won't do it.
Thank you. I can come back from there. This is just the demo phone we've got, so there's not many icons on there that you can use in CarPlay. It's just in the glove box. So we've got basically shop mobile. Nice little unit. DAB works fantastic with this aerial. Not necessarily need for an expensive roof aerial. Does work really good. Obviously got the volume turned down at the minute. So obviously you can see there we've retained the factory controls. And then your mode button for going through the tracks, and then mode to go through the different options. Perfect. Fantastic little radio. For any more information, if you want to give us a call on 0114 257 1550, and we'll just put Absolute 80s back on here for this lady, because that's what she listens to. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.